Hey guys, welcome back to World Mechanics. In today's video guys, we're going to show you where to find the thermostat and how to replace it on Kia Forte or Kia Soul. That's the 1.8 NU engine. This engine is very similar to the 2.0 NU as well. Most of the components are interchangeable, but not all of them. So we're demonstrating on a 1.8 Kia Forte. Kia Soul procedure will be very similar as well. What we did, we rebuilt the whole engine because it had a piston slap, really that noise, ticking noise that Kia and Hyundai are famous for that year. So we're rebuilding the whole engine, putting everything together now, and since we don't have the intake and the alternator, we decided to show you where the thermostat is. Most people will think that it's kinda like right here on the cylinder head, but no, it's not. It's completely different now. First, you have to make sure the coolant is drained. We have the video on the channel. Second, make sure that the car is cold when you do that. Stay away from the fan here, not to turn on you or something like that. Disconnect the battery, that would be a good idea as well. And now, this pipe right here, guys, it has two nuts. Okay, only two nuts with a 12mm socket. And we'll need to go ahead and get them loose. Once you get them loose, they go by hand pretty easy. Okay, just like that. Now we'll go ahead, pull the thermostat out. Okay, this is the thermostat. When you replace that thing, guys, always order the one with the gasket. Okay, we'll share in our video in the description below where we purchased our new one. So let's go ahead, get the new one and install it now. So this is the new thermostat. Okay, that piece goes up. There is one special way that you need to install it. Okay, get it there. Now install the pipe here with the two nuts. And it's very important not to forget to get those tight. Make sure that you bleed the cooling system the correct way as well. We'll have the video, check it out. If you need anything, help with anything, just drop a comment, guys. Also, I would really appreciate if you give a like to our Facebook page, World Mechanics. Okay, just getting this tight now, and this one pretty much will be, guys, the whole procedure. Thank you for watching, thank you for your time, and if you need help with anything, just drop a comment below, let us know, we'll try to make a video, we'll really appreciate that like. And that's what the engine looks like put together now. So if you have that engine, that's where the thermostat is. You can see this is the pipe right here. But since we didn't have all that stuff in the way, we decided to show you how you can get to it the easiest way. I would recommend removing the alternator, even though it's doable without doing it, but I would recommend doing that. So thank you for watching, see you guys next time.